Hey, and welcome back. I'm Tyler Lemmond, your tech and network guide. Today, what we are doing is looking at CompTIA's Network Plus CertMaster Labs, lab number 1.2, exploring a single location in a lab. So you have just been hired as a network technician in a small corporate network. Today is your first day on the job, and you need to familiarize yourself with the network. In addition, a new employee has been added and is working in Office 2. You need to set up their computer. In this lab, your task is to complete the following: hardware view of Office 2 computer. We need to add the monitor to Office 2, use an HDMI cord to connect the computer and the monitor, connect the power cord to the monitor, add the keyboard and the mouse to computer in Office 2, and then turn on the monitor and the computer. Pretty simple stuff. So let's go ahead and get to it. The first thing we're going to do is that we need to find Office 2, which is right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find our monitor, which is going to be on our shelf. We're going to go ahead and drop that right there. I'm going to zoom out a little bit using my scroll wheel on my personal mouse. And then we are going to connect the monitor and the PC. But we need to look at the back view. So I'm going to hit back. And there is the HDMI right there. I'm going to find the other end of the HDMI, and I'm going to plug that right there. This is a pretty old computer. Oh my gosh, dude. Is that VGA? Whew. Okay. And then we're going to put the plug in. We're going to put the female in. And then we're going to take the plug and plug it in. Now we need our peripherals. Here's our mouse. We're going to plug that into the back of the PC. And we're going to take our keyboard. And we're going to take that and put that in the back of the PC. We're going to go to the front of the monitor, front of the PC, and we are going to turn on the desktop, and then we are going to turn on the monitor. And there it is. Everything is working. Let's score. How we do? Oh, did you expect anything less? Okay, if you like the video, give it a like. And if you want to not miss out on further content, or you want to know more stuff about CompTIA or networking or any other type of stuff, subscribe and all that good things.